Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to refer to you guys the two Chinese e-commerce platform where you can buy second-hand goods without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you can get started with purchasing or buy of second-hand goods from China without any stress. Okay, but before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to hit on the subscribe, click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation, Turkey and US importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer, you can feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video if you would like to join my paid class. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to pay your Chinese supplier, all you have to do is to still contact me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business if you have interest. Okay, so like I said earlier guys, I'm going to give you two secret hacks whereby you can use to buy second-hand goods from China without any stress. I'm going to tell you what are the things you need to get started before you can have access to all this app, and how you can transact with supplier on the app without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the video and listen to my voice and follow the step I'm taking in this video. You're going to be fine. Okay, now the app at the two app, the number one app here is called Idlefish. It's called Idlefish. This app here is also a Chinese e-commerce platform, but whatever you buy from this app is a second-hand product at a very cheaper rate. Okay, so let me quickly launch the app and show you guys how the app look like. So you can see this is the interface of the app. So when the app fully load, you see the app looks similar with some other Chinese e-commerce platform, which simply means that if you have been using Chinese e-commerce platform app before, you'll be this app is not going to be very difficult for you to buy on the app. And one thing about this app is that you must have an Alipay account before you can have a successful register on the app. So with your Alipay account, you can be able to log in successfully and then search for product and then chat supplier, stuff like that, and do whatever things you need to do. So if I scroll down, you can see there are a lot of products right here you can buy at a very cheaper rate. All you have to do, you can make use of search bar. So sorry for the interruption. From this app here, you can make use of search bar to type in whatever product you are looking for. Should in case you don't see the product in the home screen, there are thousands of products you can buy. You can see phones, electronics, toys, and clothes are the likes that you can buy from this app. And don't be surprised, like I said earlier, this app is deal with second-hand Chinese product at a very cheaper rate. So let's say for instance I'm interested to buy this particular wristwatch right here. All you have to do, you can see the price is 59 RMB. Just click on the product link and then you will be landed to product page whereby you can make inquiry as far as the product is concerned. You see more information about the product. Though everything will be written in Chinese character, but with the use of your iTranslator, you will be able to translate whatever written in Chinese character here. Let's, for instance, I want to know what is written right here. I just bring out my iTranslator, click on Global Translation. It will scan all the Chinese character and translate it to English language. From there, you will be able to read whatsoever written in Chinese character without any stress. So that is that. And then you can scroll down and see more pictures about the product. So if you have not yet convinced about the product picture, product description, you still want to talk to supplier more about the product, and you can see you can have to come here, click on this box here to chat up the supplier and ask further information about the product. So this is the supplier profile page. You can click on their profile page, check more information about the supplier, as far as idle fish is concerned. You are feel free to place order once you are able to see the products you are looking for and the supplier. You have been chat with the supplier and you have been finalized with the amount you are going to pay for a particular product. Feel free to place your order and make payment with your Alipay without any stress. So this is what I have for you guys as far as idle fish is concerned when you are trying to buy second-hand goods from China. So let's take a look at the second app that you can use to buy a second-hand goods from China, which is called Xiaoyong. So let's go. Here we go again. This is the second app I'm going to explain to you guys that you can use to buy second-hand goods from China. One thing about this app is that without a WeChat account, you will not be able to have a successful register on the app. So this simply means that you must have a WeChat account before you can access the app. All you have to do when you download the app, run the app, just install it on your Android phone or your iPhone, then connect it with your WeChat, just like what you see right here. This is my WeChat. So far so good. I'm going to launch the app so you guys can see how the app look like. So I'm going to click on it right away. So this is the app. It's going to load up the interface. So this app also is another Chinese e-commerce platform you can use to buy second-hand product. There are thousands of products just like idle fish that I was at the beginning of this video. So this is the second one. You can type search. If you don't see what you are looking for in the home screen, you can search for the product. You can chat the supplier. You can pay with your Alipay and the like. So you can see there are thousands of products ranging from clothes, accessory, electronics, bags, shoes and clothes and stuff like that. You can chat the supplier also, and don't be surprised, 85% of products on this platform here, they are second-hand products as far as Xiaoyong is concerned. So guys, these are the two basic Chinese apps that you can use to procure second-hand goods, or you can use to buy second-hand goods from China without any stress. So all you have to do is to understand fully how the app work better, how you chat supplier and stuff like that. If you still find it difficult to understand more as far as this app is concerned, you can decide to join my paid class. If you still need to further knowledge as far as the app is concerned, you can contact me. If you want to join the paid class, you can contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about China importation if you have interest as far as China importation business is concerned. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big thumb up, and if you have not yet subscribed, remember to hit on the subscribe. If you have a question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.